Your home is not only your sanctuary, it's one of your most important investments. Whether you're planning to sell in the near future or simply want to enhance the beauty and functionality of your space, making smart upgrades can increase your home's value. One often overlooked yet highly effective improvement is the addition of bay windows. For homeowners in West Jordan, bay windows offer a stunning way to elevate both curb appeal and interior space. From natural light to resale value, here's how bay windows can make a lasting impact on your home's worth. Boosting curb appeal. First impressions matter. Bay windows create a dramatic and elegant look that instantly catches the eye from the outside. Their signature outward projection adds architectural interest and depth to your home's facade, setting it apart from neighboring properties. In neighborhoods like those in West Jordan, where many homes share similar layouts, bay windows help your home stand out with distinctive charm. Whether your home has a classic or modern style, bay windows can be customized in various materials and finishes to match and enhance your exterior. Expanding interior space. Bay windows aren't just beautiful, they're practical. By extending outward from the home, they create extra square footage inside. While it may not be a huge increase in measurable space, this added area can be used as a cozy window seat or reading nook, a breakfast area in the kitchen, an extra storage with built-in benches, a dramatic spot to display plants or decor. This extra room makes the interior feel more open and spacious, a big selling point for potential buyers. Flooding the home with natural light. One of the most appreciated features of bay windows is their ability to let in more natural light. Composed of 3 or more window panels angled outward, bay windows maximize light exposure from multiple directions. In West Jordan, where sunshine is plentiful throughout the year, this means brighter living areas, reduced need for artificial lighting during the day, and a warm, welcoming ambiance. Natural light has been shown to boost mood and productivity, making your home more appealing and comfortable for everyone. Increasing energy efficiency. Today's bay windows come with advanced materials and technologies like double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. These features help maintain your indoor temperature year-round by blocking heat gain in summer, preventing heat loss in winter, reducing drafts and moisture intrusion. With West Jordan's fluctuating weather, from hot summers to snowy winters, energy-efficient bay windows can help lower utility bills and appeal to environmentally conscious buyers looking for smart, green features in a home. Raising property resale value. According to real estate professionals, homes with upgraded windows, particularly architectural features like bay windows, often attract higher asking prices and more buyer interest. Why? Because bay windows offer visual impact inside and out, improved functionality and layout, energy saving, a strong signal that the home has been well maintained. In a competitive housing market like West Jordan's, features that add luxury and livability make a difference. Even if you don't plan to sell immediately, installing bay windows is an investment that pays off over time, in both enjoyment and property value. Final thoughts. A smart, stylish upgrade for any home. Bay windows are more than a design choice. They're a long-term improvement that adds beauty, comfort, and value to your home. For West Jordan homeowners, they offer a unique way to blend form and function while making your property more desirable in the real estate market. If you're ready to transform your home with bay windows, connect with a trusted local window specialist in West Jordan to explore styles, materials, and installation options that match your goals and budget.